In this video, I will show you how to buy gift cards using PayPal. So you can buy gift cards for Starbucks, Apple, DoorDash, the Google Play Store, and a bunch of other things. And here's how you can do it. So what you want to do is just open up a browser, and what you want to search for is just paypal.com/gift. Then from there, it will take you right here. Now from there, you may need to sign into your PayPal account if it doesn't do that automatically. For me it did, which you can see if it says log out in the top right. But from here you can see some popular gift cards such as Starbucks, Apple, DoorDash, Google Play, Walmart, Uber, Target and Lowe's. But for example, if you go to the cards right here, you can see they have a lot of them. And here it's filtered alphabetically, so Airbnb, and you can basically see that there is a huge list of them right here that you can buy using PayPal. So let's say I want to buy a Netflix gift card. I can just select that. Then from there scroll down and select how much I want the gift card to be for. Then select if it is a gift or if it's for you. Then enter their email and your name. Then you can also add a personal message. And you can choose when to send it. Then once you click add to cart, you can go and check out using your PayPal balance. And then from there it will be sent to their email, or if it is for you, then it will just be sent to your PayPal account email. So that's how to buy a gift card with PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.